everybody, Renee here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to talk to you about a common Diagnostic Trouble Code, or DTC. Today the code I'll be talking about is P0299. If you haven't stopped by a store for a free O'Reilly VeriScan diagnostic test, it's a simple way to get a full readout and recommendations that could help with diagnosis and repair. Technically speaking, OBD2 error code P0299 is defined as Turbocharger or Supercharger Underboost condition. In practical terms, this means your engine control module has detected that your turbocharger, or supercharger, is delivering too little boost pressure. This code can be caused by a faulty turbo or supercharger, or in some cases the control solenoid of your turbo or supercharger. But other possible causes can include issues with your boost pressure sensor, exhaust gas recirculation, or EGR system, your manifold absolute pressure or MAP sensor, or control module failure, wiring issues, or an intake or exhaust leak. Aside from a check engine light, you may notice a decrease in engine power or boost, a decrease in fuel economy, or even a strange noise coming from your turbo or supercharger. Whether you notice any of these symptoms or not, it's recommended that you have the issue diagnosed and repaired as soon as possible. Your vehicle may still run, but driving has the potential to make the problem worse or cause damage to other systems. Since the cause of this code can vary from one vehicle to the next, we recommend starting with an O'Reilly VeriScan report. We also have additional resources on our How-To Hub to help you diagnose these and other symptoms. If you're not sure where to start with this repair, we'd be happy to recommend a professional shop in your area to help you determine which of the possible issues have caused the code or codes and what your course of action should be. If the necessary repair is one you think you can do yourself, we can get you the parts and supplies you need to get it done right. We hope this video has been helpful, but if you still have questions, we'd love for you to stop by a store, O'ReillyAuto.com, or contact us on social media. We'll see you again soon.